get in the regular grocery store.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Jonathan Fielding, the Director of Public Health for Los Angeles County. You may assume that whatever food you buy in a store is safe, but that wouldn't always be true. We have found in over 70 facilities in Los Angeles County, local markets, we have found dairy products that can cause serious illness. Latin American style soft cheeses and sour cream that are made by unlicensed individuals. This is an example of a product that is made in an unlawful facility and is not legally sold. This is a soft cheese and it is not legal. Some of this is coming into Los Angeles County from Central America, and some of that is probably made locally, sometimes in things as crude as bathtubs. There are a number of soft cheeses. They go by a bunch of different names: Queso Fresco, Queso Panela, Queso Seco, Queso Asadero, Queso Oaxaca, and Queso Cocha. And they go by other names as well, but what they all have in common is that if you eat them, you're subjecting yourself and whoever else eats them to avoidable risk. Many of these, we don't know about this particular one, are made with unpasteurized milk. Most of them are made in unsanitary conditions. And they are also transported oftentimes without refrigeration, which increases the level of bacteria, including harmful bacteria. What are some of these bacteria? Some of them you've heard about before: Salmonella, E. coli, Listeria, and what they can cause is diarrhea, fever, cramps, vomiting, and even more serious blood infections. So what should you do if you want to eat a soft cheese? Well, first of all, if it doesn't have a label, don't buy it. Whether it's in a store, whether it's someplace else, don't buy it. You can see the difference here. This is a good example of a cheese that is appropriately labeled, and you can see the difference. It has a very clear label. It tells you, first of all, that it's made with pasteurized milk. It also tells you who makes it, and it also tells you to keep it refrigerated. All very important. And you'll also know that it is carefully packed compared to this. Now, which would you rather have to feed to your family? It's extremely important that you look for pasteurized milk in the ingredients of the cheese you buy. Again, it should be factory sealed. It should be found in the refrigerated section of the market. And you should keep it below 41 degrees Fahrenheit in your refrigerator. Also, don't buy cheese from unlicensed vendors. Don't buy it for salespeople that may go door to door. Don't buy it at a swap meet. You are subjecting yourselves to unnecessary risk. I want to say, however, that if you get sick from one of these cheeses, see a doctor, because you don't know how severe the problem could be. I want to thank our key partners in looking at this: the LA City Attorney's Office, the LA District Attorney, California Department of Food and Agriculture, and the Federal Food and Drug Administration. Keep your family safe. Protect your health and that of your family. Don't buy cheese like this.
Check your cheese.